Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, Traveler's Plan. Today, we're going to take you on an exciting virtual tour of an incredible state, Arunachal Pradesh. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the enchanting world of Arunachal Pradesh. Nestled in the northeastern corner of India, Arunachal Pradesh is a breathtaking state known for its pristine natural beauty and cultural diversity. It shares its borders with Tibet to the north, Bhutan to the west, and Myanmar to the east. The state is also bordered by the Indian states of Assam and Nagaland, making it a gateway to the enchanting landscapes of the Himalayas. Arunachal Pradesh holds a rich historical background that dates back centuries. It has been inhabited by various indigenous tribes, each with its unique customs and traditions. The region has witnessed the rise and fall of various kingdoms and has been influenced by neighboring cultures throughout history. Despite its remote location, Arunachal Pradesh has managed to preserve its ancient heritage, making it a captivating destination for history enthusiasts and culture seekers. Arunachal Pradesh boasts majestic mountain ranges that form part of the mighty Himalayas. The state's landscape is dominated by peaks like Kangtu, Nyegi Kangsang, and Gurichan, enticing adventurers and mountaineers from around the world. These towering sentinels not only offer awe-inspiring vistas, but also provide the perfect backdrop for trekking and hiking enthusiasts. The rivers of Arunachal Pradesh, such as the mighty Brahmaputra and the Siang, flow through the state, carving their way through lush valleys and dense forests. These rivers not only provide a scenic view, but also offer thrilling opportunities for activities like river rafting and angling. Cascading down the hills, the waterfalls in Arunachal Pradesh, like the Nuranang and the Sela Pass waterfalls, add to the region's natural beauty, providing a soothing and picturesque experience. For nature enthusiasts and wildlife lovers, Arunachal Pradesh is a paradise. The state is home to numerous national parks and wildlife sanctuaries, such as Namdapha National Park and Pakui Wildlife Sanctuary, where you can witness a diverse range of flora and fauna. From the elusive snow leopard to the exotic hornbill, these protected areas offer a chance to observe some of the rarest species in their natural habitats. Arunachal Pradesh is a cultural mosaic, characterized by its vibrant tribal communities. Each tribe has its distinct language, attire, and traditions, contributing to the state's cultural tapestry. From the Apatanis with their unique facial tattoos to the Adis with their vibrant ponungs, houses, interacting with these tribes offers a glimpse into their fascinating way of life. The people of Arunachal Pradesh celebrate a plethora of festivals throughout the year, showcasing their rich traditions and customs. Festivals like Losar, Sankan, and Mopan are a riot of colors and merriment, accompanied by traditional dances, music, and customary rituals. These celebrations provide a window into the lively and joyous spirit of the state's diverse communities. The artistic skills of the people of Arunachal Pradesh are reflected in their exquisite handicrafts and art forms. From intricate bamboo and cane work to vibrant handwoven textiles, the state's artisans create masterpieces that are not only visually appealing but also carry a deep cultural significance. Exploring local markets and workshops allows visitors to witness the craftsmanship and take home unique souvenirs. Arunachal Pradesh is dotted with historical sites and monuments that offer a glimpse into its ancient past. Places like the 400-year-old Tawang Monastery, the ruins of Malinathan, and the ancient town of Bismatnagar highlight the state's rich historical significance. These sites not only serve as architectural marvels, but also hold religious and cultural importance for the local communities. Buddhism and Hinduism have left an indelible mark on the cultural ethos of Arunachal Pradesh. The influence of Buddhism is evident in the numerous monasteries and prayer flags that adorn the landscape. Hindu temples like the Parshuram Kund, associated with the sage Parshuram, attract devotees seeking spiritual solace and divine blessings. Arunachal Pradesh has been a treasure trove for archaeologists and researchers, with several significant discoveries shedding light on ancient civilizations. The Eta Fort in Itanagar, with its stone structures dating back to the 14th century, is an impressive example of architectural prowess. These discoveries not only contribute to the state's historical narrative but also unravel the mysteries of its past. In conclusion, Arunachal Pradesh is a mesmerizing destination that offers a perfect blend of natural beauty, cultural diversity, and historical significance. Whether you seek adventure in the mountains, immersion in tribal cultures, or a glimpse into ancient civilizations, this state has it all. So pack your bags and get ready to explore the wonders that Arunachal Pradesh has to offer. Arunachal Pradesh is a treasure trove of biodiversity, home to a stunning variety of flora and fauna. From dense forests to lush meadows, this state has it all. The diverse landscape provides the perfect habitat for a wide range of plant and animal species. So, if you're a nature enthusiast, get ready to be blown away by the incredible natural beauty this place has to offer. Unfortunately, with great biodiversity comes great responsibility. Arunachal Pradesh is not immune to the challenges that threaten the survival of certain species. Some of the endangered species found here include the red panda, the clouded leopard, and the Himalayan black bear. It's a reminder that our actions have consequences and we must strive to protect these species for future generations. Thankfully, there are dedicated conservation efforts in place to protect the unique wildlife of Arunachal Pradesh. Conservation organizations and local communities are working together to preserve the natural habitats and raise awareness about the importance of biodiversity. These initiatives play a crucial role in safeguarding the rich ecosystem of this beautiful state. Prepare to have your breath taken away by the magnificent Tawang Monastery. Situated atop a hill, this Buddhist monastery offers stunning views of the surrounding valleys and mountains. The intricate architecture and serene atmosphere make it a must-visit destination for spiritual seekers and photography enthusiasts alike. If you're looking for a place that feels like it's straight out of a fairy tale, then Zero Valley is just the spot. This picturesque valley is known for its lush paddy fields, tall pine trees, and vibrant tribal culture. Take a leisurely walk through the quaint villages and immerse yourself in the tranquility of nature. It's the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Calling all wildlife lovers, Namdapha National Park is a haven for nature enthusiasts. This sprawling park is home to a wide range of animal species, including tigers, leopards, and elephants. Embark on a thrilling wildlife safari and witness the beauty of nature up close. The untouched natural landscapes and diverse ecosystem make this place an absolute gem. Improving connectivity is crucial for the socio-economic development of any region, and Arunachal Pradesh is no exception. Over the years, significant progress has been made in developing road and air connectivity in the state. So, getting turned around Arunachal Pradesh is now easier than ever before. Pack your bags and get ready to explore this hidden gem. Education and healthcare are essential pillars of development. Arunachal Pradesh has made commendable efforts in these areas. The government has taken steps to improve the quality of education and healthcare facilities in the state. This ensures that residents have access to quality services and paves the way for a brighter future. Arunachal Pradesh boasts immense economic potential in various sectors. From agriculture and horticulture to tourism and hydropower, the state offers abundant opportunities for growth and development. By tapping into these sectors, Arunachal Pradesh can create sustainable economic growth and uplift the lives of its people. Like many other regions, Arunachal Pradesh faces environmental threats that need to be addressed. Deforestation, illegal wildlife trade, and climate change pose significant challenges to the state's delicate ecosystem. It is essential for both individuals and authorities to come together and take concrete steps to protect the environment. To combat these challenges, sustainable development initiatives are being implemented in Arunachal Pradesh. These initiatives aim to strike a balance between economic growth and environmental preservation. By promoting sustainable practices and encouraging responsible tourism, the state is working towards a greener and more sustainable future. Government agencies and non-governmental organizations, NGOs, play a vital role in conservation efforts in Arunachal Pradesh. Their collaboration is crucial in creating awareness, implementing regulations, and supporting local communities. The combined efforts of the government, NGOs, and the community are crucial in protecting the natural heritage of this magnificent state. In conclusion, Arunachal Pradesh is a treasure trove of natural beauty, cultural richness, and historical marvels. From its towering mountain ranges to its vibrant festivals, this state offers a plethora of experiences that captivate the senses and leave a lasting impression. It is not just a land of picturesque landscapes, but also a place where ancient civilizations have left their mark, and where conservation efforts strive to protect its unique biodiversity. Arunachal Pradesh beckons travelers to explore its hidden gems, immerse themselves in its diverse cultures, and witness the harmonious coexistence of man and nature. As we bid farewell to this enchanting land, let us carry with us the memories and lessons learned, and continue to appreciate and preserve the wonders that Arunachal Pradesh has to offer. We hope you enjoyed this virtual journey and that it inspired you to add Arunachal Pradesh to your travel bucket list. If you liked this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content like this. Until next time, happy travels.